serviced apartment or hotel? Let's get started.
Welcome. Glad you could make it. I'll show you our serviced apartments today. If anything comes up, feel free to ask at any time.
Thanks. I'm looking for a place to rent for a short stay, around 3 months. I'm deciding between a serviced apartment and a hotel.
That's a common choice. Let me outline the main differences and show you our options, so you can decide which fits your lifestyle and budget.
That would be great. I'd like to understand what makes serviced apartments stand out.
Our building is a modern 40-story high-rise with 3 main unit types: studio, 1-bedroom, and 2-bedroom. Each is fully furnished and designed for comfort and convenience.
I'm leaning toward a 2-bedroom because I'll be staying with my family. How do these compare to hotel rooms?
Serviced apartments offer more living space and privacy than a hotel room. You get a separate living area, a full kitchen, and laundry facilities, which makes a big difference for a 3-month stay.
That sounds practical. I wouldn't want my family to feel cramped in a single hotel room.
Hotels are convenient for short overnight trips, but apartments are more cost-effective and healthier long-term, since you can cook and do your own laundry.
What about furnishings and appliances? I don't want to move in and find I'm missing essentials.
Every unit is move-in ready. For the living room, we provide a sofa, storage cabinets, dining table and chairs, TV, air conditioning, heater and an electronic safe.
That covers the basics nicely. What about the bedrooms and kitchen?
Bedrooms come with premium mattresses and built-in wardrobes. The kitchen is fully equipped with a refrigerator, steam oven, washing machine, cooking utensils and a wine fridge. High-speed Wi-Fi, Bluetooth speakers and electronic door locks are standard too. Those smart features make daily living more convenient and secure.
That sounds ideal. My wife loves cooking, so a proper kitchen is important.
Then a 2-bedroom will suit you well. It gives space for cooking, dining and entertaining friends, without the extra cost of eating out every day.
What services do you provide? I want some hotel-style support, but with apartment flexibility.
We combine both. Services included are 24-hour concierge and security, regular housekeeping and linen service, mail and parcel handling, and assistance with taxes.
That's impressive. So the rent already covers these services?
The monthly rent also covers management fees, utilities, Wi-Fi, TV channels, housekeeping and linen, so you won't be surprised by hidden bills.
That's reassuring. Are there on-site facilities?
Yes, a 24-hour gym, swimming pool, barbecue area, rooftop garden, and a lounge with panoramic sea views. Location is one of our strengths. We are close to the central business district, and well connected by public transport. The express train to the airport takes about 30 minutes.
That's convenient. Are daily needs like groceries and banking nearby?
Supermarkets, convenience stores, banks and restaurants are all within walking distance, which saves time during a busy work week.
That's perfect. Commute time matters a lot to me.
Shorter commutes reduce stress and give you more time for work and family, an important factor when choosing a place.
What about lease flexibility and pricing? I'll only be here for 3 months.
We offer flexible lease terms. For a 3-month stay, we can provide a special discount, and the monthly rate becomes very competitive compared with hotels.
That's good to know. Could you share the detailed breakdown, so I can compare options clearly?
I'll give you a clear breakdown of the rent and what's included, so you can compare total costs easily.
Good. I'll compare prices, but the inclusions you mentioned already make it attractive.
When choosing a serviced apartment, it's important to consider factors, such as location, commute time, and total monthly cost, including utilities and services. You should also look at unit size and layout, furnishings and appliances, on-site facilities, security and concierge services, and the flexibility of the lease.
That's a thorough list. Anything else families should pay attention to?
For families, please also check storage space, kitchen functionality, and noise levels.
That checklist is helpful. I think the 2-bedroom here ticks most boxes for my family.
It does. If you tell me your expected move-in date and exact stay period, I'll check availability and prepare a tailored quote. We can usually make the rent effective within a week.
I should be able to decide in the next 2 days. Meanwhile, could you show me the way to the nearest train station?
Of course. It's just a 5-minute walk from here. From the station, you can reach most parts of the city within 30 minutes.
Excellent. That connectivity will make my meetings much easier.
Exactly. Saving travel time is one of the biggest day-to-day benefits. Let's walk over now, and I'll point out the route and nearby amenities.
Thank you. Let's go.